Okay, welcome to our DaVinci tip series, and today I will teach you how you create a subtitles automatically for your video using DaVinci Resolve 19. It's very easy to make it. Please leave your subscribe in this channel if you like this content about DaVinci Resolve and other videos related to tutorial about DaVinci Resolve that will teach you to edit and use this program. Right, let's begin. In DaVinci Resolve, you import your video. To make create after your editing, you click and cut table and you click in this icon and create subtitles from audio. And DaVinci Resolve will show you this window to configure your subtitles. And the first one, language, you click here and select your language that you want to create subtitles for your video. And this time I create in Portuguese. Caption preset, you click and select Netflix. Maximum characters for line, click and select 20 for example. In lines, you click and select double. In gap between subtitles, I want to choose to 0 frames. For me, it's very perfect for my create subtitles. After all, you click and create. And we wait to make this process. And after this process, you create the subtitles. Okay, this process complete. You click and edit to back your timeline. After you create the subtitles, you can configure your subtitles. Select all. You click and track. In character, you click on font, select what you want, font face, size, and other details that you want to change. After you make this configuration and choose what you want, you need to render your videos and show the subtitles that you created in video. Click in deliver. After you click in deliver, show this window, you roll it down and click in subtitle settings. Export subtitles, check this box. In format, you click and check burn into video. This will introduce your subtitle that you create into video after render your video. And click to add to render queue and click render. I will not click to render because I don't need these subtitles for my video. But in your case, you create subtitles, you click and render, and okay, your video will make with subtitles burned. You see, it's very easy to create subtitles with your video. Enjoy and subscribe our channel and leave your comments below above the lesson. I see you next time. Bye.